Welcome to MCQ CBSE. In this video, we will cover 25 MCQs on Class 6 Science, Chapter 7, Temperature and its Measurement. This is part 4 of MCQ series. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to get regular update. Let's start. At what temperature does water boil on the Kelvin scale? And correct answer is C, 373 Kelvin. What is the equivalent of 32 degree Fahrenheit in Celsius? And correct answer is A, 0 degree Celsius. Which thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the human body? And correct answer is A, clinical thermometer. What should be the minimum temperature range of a laboratory thermometer? And correct answer is D, minus 50 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. Which of the following device is used to measure extremely high temperature such as in furnaces? And correct answer is D, pyrometer. What is the process of converting Celsius to Kelvin? And correct answer is B, add 273 to Celsius. Which of the following material expand the most when heated? And correct answer is C, air. What temperature on the Celsius scale is equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit? And correct answer is B, 100 degree Celsius. Which thermometer is best suited to measure the temperature of a liquid? And correct answer is D, mercury laboratory thermometer. How does a thermocouple measure temperature? And correct answer is C, by generating a voltage when two different metals are heated. Which of the following state of matter expand the least when heated? And correct answer is A, solid. Why is it dangerous to leave a thermometer in boiling water for too long? And correct answer is D, the thermometer might break. Which of the following is not a correct use of a laboratory thermometer? Correct answer is C. Stirring a hot liquid. What does it mean when a thermometer reads 273 Kelvin? And correct answer is B. It is the freezing point of water. In which situation would an infrared thermometer be most useful? And correct answer is D. Measuring temperature of distant object. Which principle does a thermometer operate on? And correct answer is B. Expansion of liquid or gases. At what temperature in Kelvin does water freezes? And correct answer is A. 273 Kelvin. Which device is used to measure the heat emitted by an object without touching it? And correct answer is C. Infrared thermometer. Why is mercury used in the thermometer instead of water? And correct answer is A. Mercury expands more evenly with temperature. What type of thermometer would be used in a weather station to record outdoor temperature? And correct answer is C. Alcohol thermometer. Which of the following is true about absolute zero? And correct answer is C. It is the lowest possible temperature. Which factor affect the reading of thermometer the most? And correct answer is D. The surrounding temperature. Which of these is a non-contact method of measuring temperature? And correct answer is C. Infrared thermometer. Which temperature scale is mostly used in scientific measurement? And correct answer is B. Kelvin. Why is alcohol used in thermometer designed to measure very low temperature? And correct answer is B. Alcohol has low freezing point. Thank you for watching MCQ CBSE. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to get regular update. Thank you.